Chinese martial arts. As an important part of traditional Chinese culture and China's national sports, martial arts have been practiced by Chinese people for improving their health and self-defense for thousands of years. Chinese martial arts, also called Kung Fu, are one of the quintessential specialties of China. Chinese martial arts include various skills and strategies of striking with fists, wrestling, attacking and defending, and fighting with weapons. The major established series of skills and tricks include boxing and the proper use of sabers, spears, swords, and sticks. There are numerous schools of Chinese martial arts. Statistics show that for boxing alone, there are more than 300 schools which have a known history, a distinct style, and a self-independent system. The martial arts familiar to people today include Shaolin boxing, Tai Chi Quan, which is Chinese shadow boxing, and Qi Gong, which is a system of deep breathing exercise, etc. The reason for the variety of schools lies in the differences between southern and northern China in terms of geographic and climatic conditions and stages of people. Generally speaking, people in northern China are taller and bigger, and the weather there is much colder. As a result, boxing in northern China is full of momentum and strength. And boxing in southern China, where the climate is humid and the water is abundant, and the people are smaller and shorter in stature, seems more smooth and elegant. What's embodied in Chinese martial arts is the philosophical spirit of Chinese people. The practitioners of martial arts attach great importance to the virtues of martial arts. They advocate peace and building up a good physique, and believe that one is not supposed to initiate fights against other people and should shoulder social responsibilities. The first person that brought Chinese martial arts to the world stage was Bruce Lee, who was hailed as the king of Kung Fu and the sage of martial arts. Credits should also be given to other Kung Fu movie stars like Jackie Chan and Jet Li and the many other cultural ambassadors for their efforts in presenting the charm of Chinese martial arts to the world. Owing to them, Chinese Kung Fu have now become well known to people all over the world. Thank you for listening to Niko's Story Factory. I hope you've enjoyed the story today.